Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Geo Knowledge Revamped. Today we will be talking about the climate of India. We will come to know about the different features of the climate that prevails in India. I have already discussed about the elements of weather and climate in detail in my video Fundamentals of Weather and Climate. If you have not watched that video, I would request you to go and watch that video. It will help you to understand this topic more clearly. So elements of weather and climate with reference to India, there are 5 elements, that is temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation. So with reference to India, when we apply these elements, what do we find? We find that the annual range of temperature in the interior parts of India is very high, whereas along the coastal region it's very low. Diurnal range of temperature, that is high in places like Thar Desert, where sandy plains get heated up during daytime and get cooled down during the night. So the difference in the temperature of day and night is very high, whereas along the coast it remains more or less the same. Atmospheric pressure, we see a variation in that. So in summer season we find low pressure over the land and high pressure over the water body. In the winter season it becomes absolutely opposite. In the over the land we find the temperature is low, therefore the pressure is high, and over the water bodies the pressure is low. Wind direction, that also changes. It is normally northeastern trade winds which flow throughout the country, but during the monsoon season the wind direction changes and it becomes southwest monsoon winds. We have local winds also like Loo, which generally blows in the summer season. Humidity, in the summer season we may observe medium to high humidity, whereas in the winter season it remains quite low to moderate. In the monsoon season it becomes very high. Precipitation, we may see a difference in the form as well as quantity of rainfall. So we may observe rainfall also, snowfall also. Snowfall is confined to the Himalayan region and rainfall is observed throughout the country. Distribution is highly uneven. We have categorized the areas under the 3 categories, that is high, medium and low rainfall areas. About this we will study in detail later on. Now let us take a look at the features of the climate of India. India has a subtropical monsoon type of climate. Why have I used the term subtropical? Because of the location. Every place has a latitudinal location based on which we decide in which temperature zone the place falls. So I have already discussed about these things in detail in my video Map and Globe and Location of India. Please go and watch these videos so that you can understand the specific reason behind calling the type of climate as subtropical. Then monsoon, why do we call it monsoon? Monsoon basically is the term that is used for change of season as a result of change in the wind direction. Throughout the year, there is a particular direction of wind that flows in India. But in this particular season, that is in the monsoon season, there is a change in the wind direction. We will study about monsoon in detail in some other video. So here we have to remember that there is a change in the wind direction, because of which there is a change in the season, and that is called as monsoon. There is a huge difference in temperature from one region to another region. It is just because of the size of India. Since India is very big, therefore the places which are very far from the coast and the places which are very near the coast, they have absolutely different type of climatic conditions. Form of precipitation, its amount and distribution also differs from place to place. This is what I have already told you in the previous slide. Coastal areas observe lesser difference in the temperature conditions. It is because of the water body which regulates the temperature of that place. In the interior of India, there is an extreme temperature. Decrease in rainfall is seen from east to west over the northern plains and west to east over the peninsular India. This also we will take up in detail in some other video. This is a diagrammatic representation of the wind direction that is observed in India. Throughout the year, the wind direction remains northeast and we call them as northeast trade winds. But for a specific time period, the winds change their direction and they become southwest monsoon winds. As I said that we will study about monsoon in detail in some other video. So here we just have to remember that only in the monsoon season the wind direction becomes southwest, but otherwise it remains northeast. These are the 6 climatic controls: latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, pressure and wind system, ocean currents and relief features. All these factors together govern the climate of any place. How do they affect or influence the climate of any place? That is discussed in detail in my video Fundamentals of Weather and Climate. Watch that video because it will help you to understand this better. Some factors affecting the climate of India. The Himalayas prevent the cold winds from Central Asia to enter in the country. If these winds would have entered, the temperature of India in the winter months would have been further low. The Himalayas also stop the monsoon winds, therefore we receive rainfall in the monsoon season. The sea exerts a moderating influence on the climate. The places which are far away from the sea, most of the places which are located on the northern plain, in the desert of Thar or in the Himalayan region, there the temperature is very low in the winter season and very high in the summer season, which is called as extreme or continental climate. The places which are near the sea, coastal areas of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, West Bengal, all these places have equable or maritime climate. India comes under the influence of the subtropical high and tropical low pressure winds. The wind direction changes as per the season. They are flowing from northeast to southwest in the winter season and completely reverse their direction in the late summer to become monsoon winds. Jet streams also influence the weather condition of India. The western cyclonic disturbances coming from the Mediterranean region are responsible for Mahavat, that is winter rainfall, which is often seen in the form of snowfall over the Himalayan region. Now one by one we will look at the 4 seasons of India and their features. First season is cold weather season. This season starts from the mid of November and it lasts till February. Temperature during this season, normally the days are warm and the nights are cold. Air pressure is high on land and low over the water bodies. Humidity is low to moderate. Wind found in India during this time is northeast trade winds. Precipitation, particularly in north and northwestern part of India, from western disturbances we receive rainfall, and the southeast coast of India receives a little bit of rainfall from the retreating monsoon winds. Hot weather season. This season begins in the month of March and ends in the month of May. Temperature remains moderate in the southern part of India, not very high, but northern part of India has very high temperature during this time, except for the Himalayan region where the temperature is not extremely high, but it remains somewhat around 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. The air pressure is low on land and high over the water bodies. Humidity is moderate to low in the beginning of the season, but by the end of the season, the level of humidity increases. Northeast trade winds blow in the beginning of the season. these winds are replaced by southwest monsoon winds at the end of the season. Apart from these winds, there is a local wind that blows in northwestern part of India, which is called Loo. Precipitation: we receive little bit of rainfall in West Bengal, which is also called as Kal Baisakhi, and in Kerala and Karnataka, this type of rainfall is called as mango shower. It helps in early ripening of mangoes. The third season is the advancing monsoon season. This season starts in the month of June and it continues up to September. Temperature is high to moderate, high over the northern plain and moderate in the southern part of India. Air pressure is low on land and high over the water bodies. The level of humidity is quite high throughout the country. Southwest monsoon winds blow during this time. These winds are blowing from sea to land, therefore they are carrying moisture and causing rainfall throughout the country. The whole country receives rainfall except for the coastal parts of Tamil Nadu and some portion of Andhra Pradesh. The last season is the retreating monsoon season. This season starts from October and it is found till the mid of November. In the beginning of this season, the temperature is high because the rate of evaporation is high during this time. So, the excessive water vapor present in the atmosphere that absorbs more heat and the temperature increases. This condition is called as October heat. But at the end of the season, the temperature falls drastically and winter season starts approaching. Air pressure is high on land and low over the water bodies. Humidity is high in the beginning, but by the end it becomes moderate. Northeast trade winds blow during this time and these winds carry moisture from the Bay of Bengal and this helps in causing rainfall along the coastal parts of Tamil Nadu. The portion which does not receive rainfall from the advancing monsoon winds, now this part receives rainfall from the retreating monsoon winds. I have tried my best to cover the basic characteristic features of the Indian climate. I hope that I have been able to explain the main characteristic features of the climate of India which you should know. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want anything else to be covered, please let me know, and I would request you at the end to like, share and watch my videos. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can make more videos like this. Thanks and take care.